Hello friends, today we are going to discuss project management process groups. This is very important topic according to the exam. Uh, in last lecture we are already discussed that what is the project, what are the importance of a project, what are the principles of project management, what is the project management and why we require project manager management. Also we discussed that project management plan. Now, today we are going to discuss important topic that is project management process. Whenever we discuss regarding project, the main thing is that we should know what is project and what kind of project we are going to build. Okay, now there are different phases or stages which are available for completion of a particular project, that is enter phase or start phase, and last one is your exit phase. And in between that there are different processes stages which are available, that is initiation phase or process. Next one is your planning process, which is nothing but your monitoring and control process. Next one is execution of your process. This is nothing but your controlling of your project. And finally, closing of your process and exit. And here your project is ready to deliver to the your customer or client. Now, project management process group. There are different five stages which are available to complete your project. Let's check these things detail. Initiating process, planning process, executing process, controlling process, and last one is your closing process. So roughly we are going to discuss these things. First of all, initiating process. Initiating process is nothing but the starting phase of your project. Here, whenever we start beginning of your project, here the project leader, project manager, first of all find out that what kind of project we are going to build, what will be the outcome of your project, what is the scope, in what time we are going to complete your project, in what time and what budget we are going to complete your our deliverable that the customer will satisfied. And this is nothing but the requirement analysis. Here we are going, here project leader find out that what kind of requirement is to be considered to complete your project. Now planning process. Planning process is nothing but, now here we have requirement specification, that is the documentation is ready. And here the responsibility of project leader is that to complete to plan the project, organize the project. Means uh, what we can say that right people for right time for the right position. You have to fit what kind of project is to be completed, in how and what manner. Now next one is that executing process. Here the different stages or different phases is to be applied. And the main thing is that the responsible project leader is to execute the different planning processes, which is to be built with the help of stakeholders, all the contributors, managers, team members, and that plan is to be executed in a normal way. Now controlling process. Controlling process, it is the main thing. Monitoring and control phase is there. Monitoring and control phase is that, monitoring means what kind of measure is to be used to complete your project within the time and budget. So within the time and budget, so that our customer is to be satisfied. And controlling means what kind of action is to be taken out to complete your project. Now next one is that closing process. So closing process is the final process, what we can operation and maintenance or deployment process. Here the project is ready to hand over and ready to uh, ready to deliver to the final customer. Now we are going to discuss this thing in detail. First one is planning. So most important phases of the project management: planning. Planning is an art and science of converting a set of objectives to realization through a series of steps executed in an organized and predicted way, so that there will be less requirement of changes in the plan later on. The old saying, plan the work, work the plan. Exactly. Now next one is scheduling. Scheduling phase is the process of formalizing the plan activities, assigning the durations, resources, and sequence of occurrence in consultation with the team member. Planning and scheduling phases are undertaken before the actual project starts. Controlling phase. Controlling phase is undertaken during the actual project implementation. What kind of action is to be taken out to complete your project within the time and budget? Project controlling is a mechanism established to determine derivation from the project based schedule, to replan and reschedule during implementation, to compensate the derivation on the basis of commissioning minima flow of resources like finance, manpower, equipment, and applications techniques. Yes, there are different mechanisms. With the help of that, we are going to control the resources of the project. So the resource leveling and resource, what we can say that key allocation and leveling is to be there. So whenever we are going to complete your project, so that should be complete within the time. Now next one is closing. Closing phase is the last phase of the project which brings close out the complete project. Whatever the project requirements are predefined during this phase, the total delivery is made and it is accepted by the customer. So maximum conflict can arise in the project during the phase between those who have work deliver the outcome and those who are accepting the result of the work. Exactly. So these are the different stages or plan are which are available to complete your project. Different phases are planning, scheduling, controlling, and closing. So this is for the project management process. Good. Thank you.